What's up guys, Davey here from PhoneBluff.com. In this video I'm going to show you how to make an Android backup on your phone. So obviously first things first, you have to be rooted and you have to have a custom recovery installed like Clockwork Mod. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to boot into recovery. I'm just going to use ROM Manager to do that really quick. So I'm just going to boot into Clockwork Mod recovery. I didn't feel like doing the little combination. There's also a how-to video on the channel if you want to learn how to do it, the other way by using the volume button and power button together. Anyway, we're here, and once you're over here, what you're gonna want to do is, it's pretty simple actually. You just go down to backup and restore. So I'm using the volume up and down buttons to go up and down, and then once I want to select one, I highlight it and then I'm gonna press the power key. So I'm gonna hit power on right here, backup and restore. So backup and restore, and then you're just gonna go to backup to internal SD card. Now I don't have an external SD card installed, so obviously this is my only option. But I'm going to go ahead and tap on this, and you can see now it's backing up. So this does take a while, and it really depends on how much information you have on your phone. I don't have all that much, so it shouldn't take me that long, but really it does take, over, it could be anywhere between like 3 to 10 or maybe even 15 minutes depending on your phone. But just be patient, wait for it to finish, and let's go ahead and skip to the part when it's done. Alright, so as you can see, it is done. It only took about 3 minutes or so for my phone. Now I'm just going to go ahead and reboot phone. So I'm going to hit power. You can see the reboot system now was highlighted. I'm going to let this guy power up. And then I'm going to show you what you want to do with the actual file, our actual backup file. And while this is loading up, I'll let you guys know that you want to do this like right after you root your phone. At least that's how I do it. I just rooted my phone and I did this Nandroid backup, so that way, when I go out and flash custom kernels, flash custom ROMs, in case anything goes wrong while I'm messing with it, it doesn't really, I have something to go back on, which is the stock ROM with root access. So anyway, this guy is done loading. I'll go ahead and show you what you want to do with the backup file. So I'm gonna go ahead in my file explorer. So you see Clockwork Mod has now made a folder. I tap on this guy and it says backup, and there you go. Now you have this little backup folder. Now this folder right here, you actually want to maybe connect your phone to your computer and transfer this over to transfer this guy over to your computer, so that way you never lose it, just in case somehow it gets deleted, especially when it's on your internal storage like that. So put it on your computer, put it somewhere safe, maybe even email it to yourself, so that way it's saved on your email account, because you don't want to lose it, because that's really your backup. Just in case you ever mess up your phone, you're gonna be able to put this guy back on your phone and do an Android restore. So speaking of an Android restore, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do that. I'm gonna go back into ROM Manager and boot into recovery really quick. And I'll go ahead and show you how to do the restore. So the restore again is pretty much just as easy as doing the backup. You just go to the restore option, but I'll go ahead and show you anyways. Alright, so here we are. I'm just going to be using the volume keys again to scroll. So I'm going to be going down to backup and restore, same place we went earlier, but this time instead of going down to backup, I'm going to hit restore. So where you're going to go is not to the regular restore in my case, because I didn't put it on my SD card. I don't have one in there, so it's on my internal. So what you want to do is hit the restore from internal SD card. I'll tap on this guy and you can see right there's a timestamp for that file that I just backed up. I would tap this guy and it would restore my phone, and then after you're done, you would just hit reboot system now and you'd be done. But obviously I'm not going to do that because I just backed it up and there's nothing wrong with my phone. So anyway, that is how you do it. That's how you do a backup and restore for an Android. This is Dave from PhoneBluff.com. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.